और भी आपको बराह रास्त ले चलेंगे। वफाकी वज़ीर दाखिला मोहसिन नकवी इस वक्त खिताब कर रहे हैं।
I really want to thank my brothers for hosting this conference here in Tehran. The second thing which I would like to mention before other things is that I want to congratulate Iran and my brother Skandar again on this great victory which Iran achieved. During the war, Pakistan was openly condemning the attack on Iran. We were fully supporting the right of defense of Iran. And the Pakistani people were standing right next to the people of Iran. They are our brother and we will remain as brothers. Pakistani Prime Minister and other officials were active and they tried their level best, whatever they could do, and your ambassador Amiri is sitting here. He is witness to all that what we were doing in Pakistan and how we were coordinating with other countries. As we all know that Harbin is one of the most participated event of the world. It's several million people visiting Iraq within 2 days, 3 days. The management of the event is one of the most difficult thing, but the way Iraqi government and the Iraqi Interior Ministry handled that, our salute to them. And I would like to extend my full support, whatever way we can, to the Iraqi Interior Minister, that whatever way we can help and participate in the event, we will be more than happy to do that. Here I want to add something that from January 1st, 2026, we will not be allowing any Pakistani to leave Iraq without Zaireen Group organizer, which means that we will register people who will be allowed to take the groups to Iraq, and they were bound to bring back all the people who will be going with them. There will be no individual other than the embassy themselves issue special visas, but the majority of the Pakistanis will be bound to go with the groups so that we can stop this illegal issue which Iraq is facing. The people who are overstaying there, the people who have started working there, we need to stop this, and I am totally against all those who are staying illegally there. So we will be needing Iran and Iraq help to implement that from January 1st, 2026. We want to personally thank Iran and Iraq the way they are looking after Zaireen, which are in millions. It's not an easy job. That Ayatollah Khamenei, the rabbi of Islamic Republic of Iran, the way he stood up and led the war, again, we want to congratulate him on this great success. Thank you so much.
आप बराह रास्त मुलाजा कर रहे थे। वफाकी वज़ीर दाखिला मोहसिन नकवी तेहरान में कॉन्फ्रेंस से खिताब कर रहे थे।